ceremony. And we were joking around. I said, "Oh, Francois, are you ready to be a husband?" And he says, "Yes, I'm ready."
I'm ready.
And I said to him, "Well, you need to die." And then I said to Francine, "Are you ready to be a wife?" And she said, "Yes." And then I said to her, "Well, you need to die." And we all laughed.
So as long as I live, I love you. We'll have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless. My love is endless. And with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason. You're all that I believe in.
Yeah. Come on, let's go. Yeah. Yeah.
Ndakugabiye inonga urayibona. Iryo jambo rizokuzigame, rizogufashe ugira ingorane n'umugore wawe, uzoca ufata ico gitabo uzingurure usoma amajambo azoba arimo, azogufasha kugipfuke kumvikana n'umugore wawe imbere yuko uzana ibibazo byose imbere yawe.